Breonna Taylor should be alive today.
The indictment names former Detective Joshua James, Detective Kelly Goodlett, and Sergeant Kyle Meany, all charged with submitting a false affidavit to search Taylor's home. Paperwork also names former Officer Brett Hankison, who was later fired for allegedly firing his weapon blindly during the raid and striking a neighboring unit. A jury previously acquitted him of related charges, but these are now federal.
Defendant Hankison traveled away from Ms. Taylor's doorway to the side of the building and fired 10 shots into Breonna Taylor's apartment through a bedroom window and a sliding glass door that were both covered with blinds and curtains.
Taylor's case and the police murder of George Floyd in Minneapolis led to intense scrutiny and calls for police accountability and reform across the nation. In Taylor's case, one of the officers now charged with submitting a false affidavit claimed a postal inspector informed him that the target of their drug trafficking investigation had been receiving packages at Taylor's address. Prosecutors say the officer Goodlett knew that was false, but Sergeant Meany approved the warrant application anyway.
Specifically, we allege that Ms. Taylor's Fourth Amendment rights were violated when defendants Joshua James, Kyle Meany, and Kelly Goodlett sought a warrant to search Ms. Taylor's home knowing that the officers lacked probable cause for the search.
Attorney General Merrick Garland said the three officers then took steps to cover up their unlawful conduct after Ms. Taylor's death and conspired to mislead federal, state, and local authorities. The Justice Department has been investigating the Louisville Police Department and the county government for more than a year, part of a pattern or practice investigation.
We're looking at whether the LMPD uses excessive force, improper searches, or racially discriminatory policing. That ongoing investigation is separate from today's charges.
And shortly after that announcement today in a press conference, the legal team and attorneys for Breonna's family say this does provide some justice in the case. Her mother went on to say this is a moment chance that she has been waiting for 874 days.